How to connect iPhone to your laptop or PC. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me go to super easy and how you can connect iPhone to your laptop or PC for transferring files. Well, unlike Android or iOS device, you can't directly do so using just a data cable. Now, this app helps you just do that. Well, you can head over to your browser and searching for 3U Tools. You can also head directly into 3utools.org. And once you're here on this page, you want to head into 3utools.org here. Make sure to click the correct link. Then head into 3utools download. Once you click on it down below, you'll get the link to download it for your 64-bit version PC or Windows or 32-bit version, and also for Mac OS or iOS. Simply install the particular option. Download it. Once it's downloaded, you want to go ahead and set it up and install it. Once it's been installed, you want to go ahead and proceed to open it. So let me show you right away here. So once it's been installed, you'll get an interface somewhat like this. You want to head into iDevice option here, and here you can see I'm not connected. Now what you want to do is you want to link your laptop and your iPhone using your data cable. So connect it to each other at the other end of the cable and open your iPhone. Once you open it up here, you can see it's been connected directly because I've already trusted this laptop. But if not, it'll ask you to trust this laptop on your mobile, on your iPhone. You want to click on trust, and then it'll ask for password verification or face verification. You want to go through it quickly, and now you'll be able to access your photos and all your music and videos from your PC. So this is how you can connect your laptop and iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.